Hi, welcome to Scholars Academy Presents, where we highlight the special people, projects, and events at Scholars Academy right here at Rockaway Park, Queens. My name is Farhan, and today our special guest is Lewis, who's going to talk to us about his experience with diabetes. So, you have something you would like to tell us about?
Yes, I have type 1 diabetes.
When did you get diabetes?
My mom told me that I got it when I was 1.5.
Does having diabetes affect your daily schedule?
It does. It not limits, but I have to check my sugar before I eat to monitor my blood sugar, and after I eat, I have to give myself insulin.
Does diabetes limit what you can do?
Surprisingly not. I can do regular exercise and eat whatever I want, just as long as I monitor my blood sugar.
Our last question before we end the show is, have people treated you differently because you have diabetes?
When they first meet me, they do. They're very cautious of me, but after they get to know me and know that diabetes isn't hazardous, they treat me normally.
That's all for today. Please join us next time on Scholars Academy Presents. Goodbye for now.